Yes. Cutting of the mistletoe on cocoa plants is the activity that is going on this cocoa plantation farm. And if I may ask, what are the mistletoe? You see, mistletoe are the parasites that grows on the cocoa plant. Not only on cocoa plant anyway, majorly on the fruit crops. That's when the mistletoe grows on. You understand? And mistletoe is one of the enemy of cocoa plant. They are so inimical to the cocoa plant. If you don't get rid of them, I tell you, they are tends to kill your cocoa plant if care is not taken. And this is the mistletoe. You can see the mistletoe we are cutting down on this cocoa plant. And that is exactly the activity that is ongoing right now on this cacao plantation farm. This is a mistletoe, you can see. So we cut down this a few days ago now. And it's very important for a cocoa farmer to take this as a responsibility. I tell you, in order to prevent the further spread of this mistletoe, you need to cut them at the right time. I tell you, because they have the ability and tendency to regrow on the same plant. Yes, after cutting, if you leave them for the next 1 or 2 years now, they equally regrow. So these are the mistletoe. You can see the mistletoe. And like I said, the mistletoe is one of the cocoa enemy, and they are cocoa silent killer. Yes, I stand to be corrected. They are silent killer to the cocoa plant simply because if you don't get rid of them, their intention is to kill your cocoa plant. Yes, that's the mistletoe for you. And more so, they equally reduce the fruiting capacity of the cocoa plant as well. And also, they also give a cocoa a kind of, they don't give a cocoa a befitting shape. Yes, so it is very important for a cocoa farmer to usually get rid of the mistletoe. You cut down the mistletoe, and also you prune your cocoa plant as well, so as for the cocoa to have the good ventilation, and besides, the fruiting of the cocoa as well will also be improved. So these are the activities that's ongoing on this cacao plantation farm now. So it's one of the maintenance that has to be taken into consideration in the cocoa plantation farm. You cut down the mistletoe at the appropriate time, and also you equally prune your cocoa plant, and you ensure you have a weed-free cocoa plantation farm, just as what you are watching right now. This is very important for a cocoa farmer to do this as a, you have to take this as a responsibility. It's very important for you as a cocoa farmer to get rid of the mistletoe at the right time. Yes, and also to prune your cocoa plant. So as you are cutting down the mistletoe, on the other hand, you are equally pruning the cocoa plant. These are the major routine, maintenance on a cacao plantation farm. And you can see what we are doing right now on this particular cacao plantation farm is the maintenance of the cacao plantation farm. And I used to say maintenance is the activities that needs to be carried out on a daily basis on the cacao plantation farm. Yes, I stand to be corrected. So it's the activity that needs to be carried out on a daily basis, by weeding your cocoa plants at appropriate time. Then you cut down the mistletoe, you equally dress back the dry leaves below the cocoa plants. All these are the maintenance culture of a cocoa plantation farm. For a cacao farmer, if you want to have a good cacao plantation farm, if you intend to harvest bountifully, then you need to take into consideration to take absolute maintenance of your cocoa plantation farm. This is quite important for a cocoa farmer. And these are the mistletoe we have been able to cut down on this cacao plantation farm. You can see, and it's very important for a cocoa farmer also to get the pest resistance agrochemicals to fumigate your cacao, so as to chase away the black ants and other pests that may attack your cacao plants. These are the maintenance culture of a cacao plantation farm. So this is Cody Global Consults. Plantation is my passion. This is my name. Thank you for watching this. Thank you.